Yeah, baby. A tailgater, college football celebrator, Stanley Cup, fill it up, trailblazer, kicking up dust, tattoo fixing, her addiction, showing off the most keep getting, long legs, leather boots, crop top pants, showing through. She really comes alive every single weekend. She's daddy's little girl, but someday she's a preaching. Two Hail Marys, forgive her sins, come Friday night, she does it again, showing off that sunburned skin, lemon drop with the sugar rest. The way she shakes that thing, it's really turning me on. She wears boots, she used to be an angel. She wears boots on boots on Rebel chick from the sticks, still likes Biggie and Tupac shit. Whiskey River, shot river, damn this girl can hold her liquor. Ride or die, lives her life, renegade, bloodshot eye. Fisher, hunter, Hank, lover, Earnhardt, she's burning rubber. She's the kind of girl you don't bring home to mama, cause you can see all the crazy that she offers. Two Hail Marys, forgive her sins, come Friday night, she does it again, showing off that sunburned skin, lemon drop with the sugar rest. The way she shakes that thing, it's really turning me on. She wears boots, she used to be an angel. She wears boots on But daddy's little girl always into preaching. She wakes up every day waiting for the weekend, so she can let out just a little bit of demon. She wears boots on bars. The way she shakes that thing, it's really turning me on. She wears boots on bars. She used to be an angel. She wears boots on bars. She wears boots on bars.